just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard.
Hello my Hive Tribe, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I will be showing you my favorite go-to anti-inflammatory soup that I love to consume whenever I am detoxing my stomach or healing my stomach. This hearty anti-inflammatory soup combines chicken breast, which would have great protein, healthy vegetables, and several tasty spices, including the medicinal turmeric, which is great for gastritis problems or any sort of stomach issues. This soup is filling, super healthy, and a great way to kick off your fall season. All details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started on cooking. First, you'll need diced chicken. Fresh or frozen chicken is okay, as long as it is not heavily seasoned. Next, you'll need broccoli, chicken broth, peppers, celery, carrots, onion, garlic, turmeric, the star of the show, which is great for heartburn, inflammation, and stomach ulcers, olive oil, ground pepper, dried parsley, and a lemon. Since this dish is very vegetable heavy, I want to make sure all my vegetables are clean, so I'm going to use my vegetable disinfector to disinfect the vegetables. If you don't have one, you can easily just wash them by hand. This machine can be purchased on my Amazon storefront if you're interested in getting your own. It will be linked below. While the vegetables are disinfecting, I'm going to put olive oil in a pot and just start cooking that chicken. I did use frozen chicken myself because my inflammation is not that bad right now. Whenever my inflammation is really bad, then I have to cook the chicken from scratch because I don't want any seasoning in it. And I put the chicken to the side because that's going to be my protein, and we're going to be reusing this pot. The vegetables are done disinfecting, so I chopped them up off camera. Actually, I forgot to film this part, but still, you know, just chop them up. Chop up all your veggies. And I have a vegetable cutting machine because I'm like my mama, so I'm going to always have a bunch of kitchen gadgets. And this machine helps me to cut up all my fruits and vegetables because I make this soup a lot. So always needing to chop up a bunch of vegetables. So I got a vegetable cutter machine. And guys, this machine saves the day for real. I love how uniform the vegetables come out. If you are interested in this product as well, I have it on my Amazon storefront. This is not a sponsored video. These are just gadgets that I own for things that I constantly do and use, so why not make my life more convenient, right? This is how the vegetables look all chopped. See how uniform they are? I love it. Now we're going to go right back to that pot, add in our onions and cook into translucent. I also added in garlic too, which I didn't film. Sorry guys, but it's okay. Once it's translucent, we're going to just add the remaining vegetables inside and saute it. I really want to get everything coated in that chicken flavor. And we're already going to add extra flavor later on, but the more flavor the better, because I don't like vegetables, but I don't want to add actual seasonings. I want to use the ingredients itself to season everything so that it still remains healthy and doesn't cause me any inflammation. I try to not let stomach problems dictate my life and enjoy my life, so I take little steps such as this, making homemade meals that are anti-inflammatory often, so that when I do go out to eat, and as someone who's young and in their 20s, I love to go out, I love to spend time with my friends, I can really enjoy and not worry too much, because 70 to 80% of the time when I'm at home, I'm eating meals like this, so I can go out and have fun and enjoy. Next, as you can see, I added the chicken to the veggies and continue to lightly saute just to add even more flavor to those vegetables. I'm not a fan of vegetables, guys, but I eat them a lot, so I came up with multiple ways to make sure the vegetables taste good, and I'm really proud of that because it really has improved my overall health. Guys, when I first started going through my stomach problems, I did not care. I would literally eat an avocado by itself and it would be so disgusting, but it's like, man, I'm gonna heal my stomach, I don't care. Next, you wanna add in your chicken broth. I like to use the organic low sodium chicken broth from Whole Foods. Feel free to use whatever chicken broth you wanna use. I do think the purer the ingredients, the better it is for you. So just keep that in mind. Next, you want to add in your chopped broccoli. Add a tablespoon of turmeric. Add ground pepper. Next, you want to add in any remaining seasonings. I like to add adobo to mine whenever I am not going through inflammation, if I'm just eating this as a normal meal, because I do like to consume this meal often. But if I am eating it as a specific detox to heal myself, then I'm skipping the adobo completely and keeping the bases bare. Now that we added seasoning to our soup, the meal is basically done. All we have to do is bring this to a boil and then let it cook for an additional 10 to 20 minutes on medium-low. After that, you should have your finished product. This is exactly how it looks. Right before you serve it, squeeze in half of a lemon. Mix that up. And now your soup is ready to be consumed. And there you have it. Thank you guys all so much for watching this video and following me on my gastritis journey. I hope this soup heals you like it always helps to heal me. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.